guys, so I'm not bald. I did braids. I have not like done my makeup, made myself look cute in a long time because of just freaking winter. Like, I've just been so depressed and all that and sick. But today I'm feeling a lot better. I just filmed a get ready with me. I did my whole makeup. You probably can't even tell because of the brightness, but I did do my makeup, and now I'm just filming a vlog. Why did I say that weird? I don't know. It is Thursday, January 20th. I go to work in a little bit. I'm just finishing up my coffee, and it is noon now. Ugh, I gotta go to work in like 3 hours. And yeah, I'm just gonna catch you guys up on a little bit of stuff. I went to the gym yesterday for the first time this month. I am trying to get back on my gym game, and I think that will help me to become less depressed. And so yesterday I did the Stairmaster for 30 minutes, and I literally like pulled something in my leg. I don't know what did, but I was like limping all last night. So I'm gonna go today and do the treadmill for 30 minutes and then maybe do the bicycle for 10. My goal as of right now is to just do a bunch of cardio for like 2 months and shred some pounds if I can, and then start weightlifting. So that's the goal. I don't know. Pray for me that it actually works. Also, I'm gonna start taking pre-workout again and meal supplements, I think, just to help boost that, because when I was doing that in 2019 I got so toned and it was really great and I was losing some pounds. I need to get back on that game, you know. And the first step to doing that is to get back into the gym. I feel like really huge in this. I don't know, like the shirt is like tight on my shoulders, so that's really annoying. But yeah, now I'm gonna finally eat breakfast that I made like an hour ago, and I'm also listening to the Deaf Noodles podcast. If you watch Deaf Noodles, you know who he is. He has a podcast now, and I like that he put it on YouTube because I don't really like listening to podcasts on Spotify. I mean, I like Spotify, but I don't like to listen to a podcast. I don't listen to music, so that's something. Also, yeah, I gotta take this makeup off before I even go to the gym tonight, and I'm just gonna try to work out as much as I can and sweat as much as I can, because that's just what I need to help me become more happier and release those endorphins and all that. So I think that will really help my sadness. So yeah, I just thought I'd come on here and chat for a minute. It's like almost 4 minutes, but same thing. Now, what else do I need to do? I need to edit a video, so I'll do that at work, and then I am going to film a video tonight as well because I got some new athletic wear and I want to show you guys. So very excited, you guys. I'm happy to be back and alive. So I'm gonna go eat breakfast now, and I will catch up with you guys later. If not, it might be the next day, Friday. Don't hold me to it. Go. I'm a hot mess, you guys. Don't judge me. So I'm editing my video that's going up today that you will see obviously before this vlog. I ordered a new backpack for Universal. You need a backpack or something to carry all your stuff when you're in a theme park, and I decided to order this Harry Potter one that is so cute, and I'm so excited that I finally got it. It took a while, like the tracking was not showing up for the whole week, which was really scary and sketchy, but it's here now. So you guys know I'm obsessed with Harry Potter. You all know that. So I found this mini backpack on Hot Topic, and it is Weasley and Weasley. It's the two Weasley brothers, Fred and George, and their little joke shop that they have. Oh, it is so cute. Oh my gosh. The only thing I don't like about it is that it is purple. Purple is not my favorite color, but this will grow on me, and it is so cute. So this is a Harry Potter Lounge Fly backpack. Hi guys. Ugh, the lighting is so horrible. So it is Tuesday the 25th, and I just fed our chickens, and now I'm going to clean our bedroom. So I'm going to do a speed up because that's always fun to watch for me personally. If you don't want to watch it, you can skip over it. Wow, this hair, hat hair, love that. And then I did do my makeup for today. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this room just because I haven't really done anything productive today except for edit a video. So I want to feel productive before I go to work. And then I got to change into another sweater because it's 12 degrees out, and okay, so here's a time lapse of me making my bed, cleaning up my desk, and maybe getting a little organized. Okay, let's go. I hope you guys liked that. I usually do like watching people clean up and organize, so I think I'm just gonna add it to my vlogs because I am always cleaning the house. Like I don't even have kids yet, and I have to clean the house like every 2 days. So I made a smoothie for lunch / breakfast because I had my coffee for breakfast, and if I have my coffee early on, then I'm not gonna be hungry. But now that it is almost 1 o'clock, I made a smoothie, and now I'm just gonna chill. I really need to figure out the closet area, but I don't think I'm gonna do that in this vlog. Maybe I'll do it another one. I don't know. I really hate our closet area, like our clothes. We don't have any. I really want to get like a dresser, but like I don't know, it just doesn't. I'm really picky on picking out a dresser. So that's the issue. That's why I haven't bought a dresser yet. I really don't know what I want, but I know I do want a dresser full of drawers because I hate having this closet area and we don't have a like door for it. So it's really annoying, but that's that. So now that I have a little bit of makeup on, I feel a little better, but I just need to start wearing my makeup because I have a ton of it. All right. I don't know. I'm just talking now just to talk. I do need to finish my book. I'm reading the book Crave, and I just started it. It's really good. Well, it's good so far. I've only read about 50 pages. So I think I'm gonna go downstairs and read and just chill out before I have to go to work. So I will update you guys later, probably when I get back.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think.